Hi, I'm Lori Strawhecker, an online chemistry tutor. Today, I'd like to talk to you about solids and liquids and volumes. So in 4 minutes or less. So here we go. This is a solid. A solid has a definite form and it has a definite volume. So we can measure the volume by the height, by the width, and by the length. And we can, calculate the volume by those measurements. This is a liquid, and a liquid has a definite volume, but its shape is not definite. It takes the shape of whatever container it is being poured into. All right, but it has a definite volume. Now, what I find fascinating is that when we have something like this, it has a definite shape, this timer, and we can calculate that by measurements. What if we have a solid that has an unusual shape? Okay, it's not easy to do the measurements. All right, we have somewhat of a triangle on the bottom. I don't know whether you can see that. We have somewhat of a circle on the top. All right, an oval. This is definitely not easy to calculate because you cannot measure it that well. But when we use this handy dandy water, if we put this odd shaped solid into the water will be displaced, and the water will tell us what the volume of a particular solid is. Did you see that? Let's see whether we can see the difference in volume. If I had made notes, you'd probably be able to see that. All right. So I know that we just talked about the difference in, what I want you to know is that you can calculate the volume based on the displacement of water for many things. And you'll see this in chemistry class. You'll see this in your problems. The displacement of water, it'll be the initial state of the water. What's that volume? And then the final state of that volume when you put some object inside the water. All right, so I hope this was helpful. Make sure you look at your problems with a new eye, and have that understanding when you're reading through your problems. Visit me at loristrawhecker.com. That's Lori strawhecker.com. You can like this video. Tomorrow, you can subscribe to this channel. Tomorrow, I'm going to have us understand how to make a beaker if we do not have one, or a graduated cylinder. How to do that tomorrow. So join me tomorrow. So I hope you found that helpful. And wow, we have 26 seconds left. Have a great day and happy solving.